Check it out. All right, this is a piece of 25 or 1 inch. This is what I've been using to make the chassis, and the ball noodle fits on it after you split it. It's nice and tight, snug on there. That's going to be sitting up under there. I've also got to take into consideration the boot hinge. Sit about there, so it's pretty close to the edge, which should give me enough room to have the pull noodle there, and then in front of the pull noodle will be the seat back piece of plywood or whatever I've got laying around. So I'm going to use this stuff to make the hoops. The front hoop, or the one that goes under the windscreen, I'm going to have 2 pull noodles, one here and one there with a gap in between, so I can have the steering column go through there. Right, I got the rear hoop made. It's got rivet nuts under here, M6 bolts. I had to make this unboltable because I wouldn't be able to take the body off in the current configuration. And I made a slight calculation error, which is fine. You won't see this. This will be hidden with the seat on this side, and this is up underneath the parcel tray, for lack of a better word. So unless you're like looking right down in there, you won't see that, and I can cover it up anyway, it doesn't matter. But yeah, that's at a good height. And then I'm going to make the front one here. So it's going to drill some holes for center punch marks. I'll sit there. These weld vertical. This one's sloped, so that's what the seat back's going to screw to. So it's functional. This one will come straight up, pretty close to the body, and then go across, and that's also what my steering column is going to mount to. There it is, pretty simple. Some nice looking welds on there. There's a bit of a gap in there, but I'm a certified gap welder, so yeah. Not bad, not bad. Pretty simple, which is what I like to do. Try and keep it simple, don't overcomplicate things. In the middle here will be a sort of a little drop down for the steering column to pass through, and yeah. So next step is to put the body back on. Got to mark out locations for, you know, the I-beam down there, I'm not sure what these are called, hairpins. These basically stop the wheels from going backwards, because the only thing holding it on there is the spring in the center, the 2 shackles, and those. So I'm going to be making something similar to that. I don't know if I'm going to be using a leaf spring. I haven't been able to source suitable metal for it. But yeah, throw the body back on, mark out some locations, drill the 6 holes, put rivet nuts in them, and yeah, go from there. Body's back on, hoops are in. There's a little bit of wiggle room in there, so there's not much pressure on that, which is good. Front one's in too. Fits perfectly. These fit the same. A little bit of wiggle room. You can see it there, which is fine. I opted to go this side out just for the wood that's going to go here with the seat pack. But I'm going to end up taking these all off anyway because this body's coming back off. In the next video, we're starting on the front suspension. It's going to be making those, getting the location for them, making those, making an I-beam. I've got to decide whether I can find springs or not. What I mean by springs is a leaf spring, just like the one in here. Underneath all this mess, in there is a leaf spring, transverse. There's the end of it there. So I've got to decide if I'm doing that or if I'm doing something else. If I'm going to have, yeah, I have no idea what I'm doing yet. I've got this little spring here, which is pretty cool. It's probably a bit too small. But given the pivot angle, it's quite strong. So yeah, it's an option. Get two of those, slightly bigger or something, and have like a, not independent front end, because I still want the I-beam because it looks cool. But you could have the little springies out here, some, who knows. How you going? It's the end of the video. If you hit that subscribe button, that'd be great. If you like what you see, hit the like button. Please let me know in the comments what you think of the project so far, what you'd like to see happen, just any general thoughts, questions. Happy to answer them. Thanks for watching. Oh yeah, this is cool. First time I've really sat in it. Imagine it's like the perfect height for your arms. Little steering wheel in front of you. Oh yeah, can't wait. Cannot wait. I bet you can't wait either. Now, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to find out what happens next. And if you could hit the subscribe button and the like button, that'd be awesome. Cheers. Gear stick. Handbrake, gear stick. Oh yeah. Gonna be epic. We're gonna need a remote. Cut. Ain't happening. Pretty small. Okay. That's it for this video. still in? It's the first time I really sat in here, and it's pretty cool. I fit pretty well. I've got my legs fully straight and they're not even touching the grill yet, but I am not exactly tall. I just realised the steering wheel is going to have to be quite small. So you can sort of, you know, do that without bashing the windscreen, or you can't have it too far out because that'd be weird. I wouldn't be able to get into the bloody thing. It's going to have to be quite small. Yeah. Hey, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Consider hitting that subscribe button for me. That'd be great for more content. Leave a comment on how you think this is going, and you know, your thoughts. I want to know what you're thinking about this. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Peace. Who does that? Who does peace? Hey, you didn't see that. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'd appreciate it if you no.